We're playing the jelly bean game. Some of them are really amazing and delicious, and some of them are like dog food flavor or skunk spray or boogers or vomit. So I'm gonna record, and so they don't know. What did that taste like?
Disgusting.
Did it taste like canned dog food?
Yeah?
Yeah?
That one.
Were any of them good? I think they were all bad.
No, they weren't all bad.
That's funny. So they just ate canned dog food, jelly beans.
Did anybody get chocolate?
Us? I think they were all bad.
Baby wipes! Ew!
What happens if I eat all these? Oh.
Did you get baby wipes?
Yeah, that's gross.
He got baby wipes. I got coconut. Thank
I
Kevin.
knew I was going to like it.
You knew you were gonna like it?
Yeah.
Did you swallow it?
Yeah?
Yummy. Mine was good too.
Mine was baby.
This game is awesome.
It's about ready for bed.
Okay, the next one is either boogers or pear. Juicy pear or juicy boogers. We'll have to wait and see.
It's a hot snot sundae with a booger on top.
Today, it can either be purple or white,
Yeah.
Is that all the bad ones? These guys are
This is juicy pear,
Chemical engineers.
juicy pear, or juicy booger. 1, 2, 3, go! Juicy pear. I think this is all a
I got
Okay, should we all cheer Grandpa? Grandpa! Grandpa! Grandpa!
He just threw up because he got a bad one. I'm lucky. I got juicy pear. Not juicy boogie. Okay, this is moldy cheese or popcorn. Spit it in your cup. Was it moldy cheese? Yeah? Yeah, I know. And then it's like, moldy cheese.
Cool.
I take it.
I haven't won yet. What's he been eating?
He just ate a jelly belly. And it was
real one?
moldy cheese. Yeah, you should have.
Don't let him. Look.
Camp smells like a skunk.
Oh my gosh, it smells like skunk. Oh my gosh, I can smell it. Like, did you eat one? It literally smells like a skunk. That was skunk or black licorice, and it smells like a skunk. around her.
Huh? You got barf and skunk? I got all of them.
What was that? Oh!
You got every nasty flavor. Yeah, he's not listening. That was bad. Now I can't see it in my phone. Oh, there it is. That is a bald eagle. We can't see it very good in here, but it's a bald eagle. Trust me. You can see its white head. So here we are doing Trading Rendezvous at our Hall Reunion 2015. So the kids bring all their favorite toys that they don't play with anymore. And then they trade their toys with each other. And then it's like having brand new toys. Except sometimes your mom forgets that Trading Rendezvous is happening, so you don't bring any toys. So then what you do is you bring out your candy and your juice boxes and your go-karts. And you trade that stuff for toys, huh, Benson? I don't know who would ever forget about Trading Rendezvous, but you know, we know how to improvise. Are you excited to trade stuff? Benson, did you?
Solid rock.
Oh, don't eat your candy. That's what you pay with.
Can I trade
For toys.
I didn't. She didn't give me it yet.
Oh, okay. Hey, were you learning how to ride your bike today?
Yeah.
Do you think you could show me after this?
Really?
After you trade your stuff?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
So Susan, you got a